Hope is a thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. That's Emily Dickinson, poem by the same name, Hope is a Thing with Feathers, which she wrote in 1861. I first read this famous poem during a troubled childhood, a violent childhood. Rather, to be more precise, I heard it read to me by a compassionate teacher. Of course, as a child, I didn't get the metaphor. I conflated hope with wishing. I wished my life was better. It's important to understand the difference between wishing and hoping. When we seem to feel hopeless, we spent too much mental energy wishing. We commonly use the word to mean the same as regret. I wish I'd prepared more. It kind of keeps you stuck. Hope is about the future, how we want to become in the world, with a sense that we can do things to get there. How to hear the bird of hope sing. Walk among the trees and listen. Appreciate your basic humanity. It connects us to other people, nature, spirituality, and our own creativity. It helps us appreciate that a little bit of each of us is in all of us. Focus on what you can control. We can't control other people or most of the events in our lives, but we have absolute control over the meaning we give to them. Control the meaning of your life, and you'll hear the bird of hope sing. Do some small thing every day to make the world a better place. Use the vast contagion of emotions to spread positive regard. That can be as simple as gentle eye contact, a slight nod, or a smile. Think of the contribution you would like to make in the world. No contribution is too small. Though it's sometimes very faint, the song of hope is always in our hearts. Listen. If you still can't hear it, rest and listen again.